What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're doing a battery change on a GM remote. This remote is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our remote and we're looking at the front like this, and we look down near the key ring, just off to the right hand side, there's this little notch right here. I'm not sure if the camera's really picking it up. Let's see, get a better angle. So right here, you can see this notch. What you want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and put it in that notch, and allow you to just to pry it apart like this. Go ahead and pull the shell apart, and then we'll see the battery in the back of the shell right there. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Go ahead and snap the remote back together, and that's it. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.